I would like to share my experiences about the soil and nutritional management for the organic food production, together with the adjust the soil to recover the the tree also. So the plant nutrition is very important. Actually, there are 18 elements which necessary for plant growth. Everybody know it's about 90 to 80% of the fresh weight of living plant is water. So or H2O. So the hydrogen, oxygen, air, hydrogen and oxygen actually they are two of these elements needed in largest quantity. Without water, life as we know is could not exist or could not live. It stands to reason that providing a plant with adequate moisture is the first and the most important step to having to get a healthy plant. Now this is you have to think about that. If you dry a living plants like wheat, it will remove most of the free water. So about 90 to 95% of the plant's dry weight would be composed of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. So about half of the dry weight would be carbon. It's derived from carbon dioxide or CO2 in the air. The green leaf lie in chlorophyll combined with water and carbon dioxide in the present or exists in the chlorophyll or the green pigment, and together with light energy to get they will synthesize the carbohydrate or photosynthesis or glucose. This is a process that everybody know. This is a photosynthesis. So that's why is the nutritional is very important. So that means the CHO is do not concern about. You must be take care what I said. Take care the soil moisture very well, and so on, something like that. So the other nutrient that necessary to plant. As we know, it is about 5 or 6% of dry weight contains the certain remaining elements for plant growth obtained from soil, like nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, calcium, sulfur, magnesium. This is a measure. And the minor is copper, molybdenum, boron, zinc, iron, choline, manganese. This is the essential plant nutrition. So that means the nitrogen. Nitrogen is concerning about the growth element to promote green leaf growth, and a primary of the component of proteins, nitrogen, a part of the every living cells. So that means the nitrogen is a part of the protein or amino acids as well. So for example, in the chlorophyll part on the leaf, nitrogen is directly involved in photosynthesis also. It helps the plant to produce and use carbohydrates. That's why during the young leaf they need the nitrogen. So if the nitrogen deficiency, that means the leaf will be leaf stunting, and also pale or yellow leaf, especially the old leaf, something like that. So what we talk about the phosphorus. Phosphorus also is very important to induce the flower, and also it is essential for the transformation in the plant. So if the phosphorus is not enough, the carbohydrate manufactured in the leaf could not be transported to the flower or developing fruit. That means the phosphorus it helps to transport carbohydrate from photosynthesis on the leaf into the flower, or even into the developing fruit, and Also, they are stored in root and bulb. So the phosphorus is usually associated with flowers, fruitings, and carbohydrate storage in root. This is the phosphorus. So the phosphorus deficiency is difficult to detect in the most because the result is over stunted plant. So this is that's why I recommend you to adjust the pH of the soil very well, because all necessary nutrients that I said, pH is very important like that. But in the about the phosphorus, you can also observe the older leaf. The older leaf will be affected before younger one. So as the phosphorus will move to the growing part to the plant. So sometimes you can see the purple or reddish color. Maybe you can see, this is the nutrient phosphorus deficiency, something like that. So this is the phosphorus, and the other is about the potassium. Potassium actually is for general health of the plant. Potassium is essential, also essential for photosynthesis, as the regulate the cell turgidity or cell to be stronger and responsible for respiration and water movement in the plant. So it's also control the closing and opening the stomata of the plant also. So if you have enough the potassium in the plant, it will help the plant to cope with the drought stress, increases disease resistance, and also sometimes can be improve the crop quality as well. So what we choose looking for the potassium deficiency. So the most common potassium deficiency is yellowing along the leaf margins of the older leaf. The deficiency of potassium will grow slowly and very poor developed in root system and weak stalk. The stalk will be weak. So this is you can observe in general. That's all I said. This is the what is the responsibility or duty of the in each plant element. The one is essential or important, cannot lack other things. So what about the calcium? Actually, normally calcium can stimulate root and leaf development. It forms the compounds as a part of cell walls and strengthen plant structure. Calcium can help to reduce plant nitrate by setting the enzymatic system to neutralize organic acid in the plant. So calcium also promote root growth, molecular availability, and uptake the other nutrient, and indirectly it can also promote yield by reducing the toxicity of aluminum and manganese in the soil. Not about the symptom deficiency. As my experience, the symptom deficiency of the calcium in the common way, in the severe events, you can see the growing point die. The calcium deficient will be cause the roots turn black and weak and easy to infected by disease, by phytopathogen or by the nematode sometimes, and also easy to damage by the aluminum toxicity. Also, if you have aluminum in the soil, and also this is the what about the calcium, because calcium is can be let the cell, the plant cell is stronger. If the plant cell is not strong in the cell, that means it will be weak and easy to infection. The calcium is not translocate into plant like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. The young leaf and the growing points of the shoot develop sometimes develop you can see symptom on side. So the sometimes the new tissue or new leaf, they need calcium. They need calcium to form the cell wall in each cell. So that means the calcium deficiency may be cause the leaf tip. Leaf tip you can see sometimes that is abnormal. That is about the calcium. What about the magnesium? Magnesium deficiency is appears firstly in the lower and on the leaves, because magnesium is translocated within plants. The other leaf will show the yellow, brown, or reddish color, and the vein will be white, and the vein will be the white leaf. I mean white leaf and white leaf vein that remain green. So in the soil, if the soil have limited dolomite, that means then they may become nutrient deficiency. If the pH is 6.5 or 6.8 already, you observe. And sometimes it make the imbalance between calcium, potassium, and magnesium. So if not make is imbalance, it may increase magnesium deficiency, especially the over potassium. Over potassium will be the induce the magnesium deficiency because they are antagonistic to each other. That's I used to talk in the cheetahs. In the cheetahs organic production, I have been talk about this one already. That is the potassium and magnesium. They are antagonistic each other. We must be make it balance. So if the excess, I mean more potassium or less potassium is not should be appropriate and balances. I will show you also about the average of the potassium and magnesium to be balances later. So what about the sulfur? Sulfur is like nitrogen. It is important in protein formation or protein synthesis, and that means the sulfur also composes of the some amino acid like cysteine, methionine, and the organic sulfur normally found in plant. Normally we found in plant also. That's why if you apply you make the organic fertilizer or compost by yourself, then we get the sulfur from your compost. This is I think is really easy to control to make the compost with the sulfur. Then if the sulfur deficiency, what will happen? You can as I know that the sulfur is important for the component of proteins also, and the sulfur deficiency is similar to nitrogen deficiency. That means the plant will be show a pale green color and appear in the first on the younger leaf. So in whole plant, it can take look like not so the color not so fresh or something like that. So sulfur deficiency can be easy happen in the sandy soils that it and in the reddish color soil, and the clay soil tend to be more sulfur ion. Sulfur ion. Actually, the sulfur ion is rich through sand, soil, like nitrate and nitrate ion or something like that. So the nitrogen and sulfur can mineralize from soil organic matter. That is the you can observe by practical way. This is the major element the plant will be necessary for the growth. So the minor element that means the plant cannot lack or over. So every minor element the plant must be appropriate. So they sometimes we call micronutrient or micro element. Micronutrients are the one of the factor that's important as the the major nutrition or major nutrient also, and then but it needs not too much. Most of the micronutrients is concerning about the specific enzyme reaction in the plant. This is more scientific, but as far as I know, this is most of the minor element is concerning about the enzymes, enzyme activity inside the plant, and this is very important. The concentration of the available micronutrient must be sufficient in soil, as long as soil pH should be maintained at pH 6.5 to 6.8. That will be appropriate. And the first one is boron. The boron is a critical for cell wall structure and function in the plant. The deficiency of the boron can appear as deformed fruit and flower or short pedicels. So the excess or over boron can be toxic to the plant also. That's why it should be appropriate. The boron should be applied to specific crop. That means we must be controlled by our when we are going to make the organic fertilizer with high nitrogen, high potassium. I concerned about this also. You see, I can measure the immediately for each for all the nutrient necessary. The next one is about the copper. The copper is presented in several enzymes and curtain for plant proteins. They are working inside the tree. So without copper, we can observe that the plant will be something like the leaf not grow very well, and the color is also changes also. That's one. Another one is iron or Fe. Iron is another important for the maintenance of the chlorophyll in plants. So if the lack of iron resulted to chlorotics, yellow tissue between the vein of the new leaf. So the iron deficiency are usually happen if the pH is alkaline or over 7, and they will let the poor root growth also, and easy for disease come to infection. And if you apply more phosphorus and will be antagonistic to iron also. So that mean iron is also the important one of the important nutrient also. And another one is what about manganese? Okay, the manganese or Mn is concerning about many enzyme activity inside the plant. So the magnesium, and also the magnesium is a composed of the chlorophyll also. So this is very important for green pigment. Then the soil should be proper soil, the pH of the soil should be 6.5 to 6.8 to let the plant absorb magnesium, manganese very well. And this manganese, if you are over, they will be over or less, you will be let the plant abnormal also. The other one is molybdenum. Molybdenum is concerning about the assimilation of nitrogen in plants. So if the deficiency symptom of the molybdenum is also similar to nitrogen deficiency, then means the leaf also yellow also. And that's why sometimes not too easy to see the symptom deficiency of those nutrients also. The another thing is about zinc. Zinc is important for enzyme reaction inside the plant also to produce the many things, many activity inside the plant to let the plant grow very well. So the deficiency symptom then be appear on the fruit tree, and you can see sometimes you can see the green and yellow broad, green and yellow broad in the new leaf. So this is the sometimes for example the zinc deficiency symptom in citrus is very clear. The little leaf and the whole leaf is yellow, and the vein become green, and leaf is so little. That is a nutrient deficiency. The other is choline. Choline, we know choline is also important nutrient for the plant growth. Also is concerning a lot of the activity inside the tree. If it is very difficult to see the symptom also if they are deficiency symptom. But the choline also you can exit. They are exit in the soil, in water, in ozone, and in atmosphere. Normally is not much problem. This is I just shortly to let you know about each what is duty or responsibility of each nutrient. And this is so we go to the we improve the soil. This is the tree that you can see this tree. I just give you sample of the soil. See, this is sorry I mistake. So the after you know the leaf, I can see that we have to in the soil we have to check the soil. Every time I check the soil on the necessary nutrient, even in the tree, you see, I check the pH also, and all necessary nutrient, how much is it. And after that, I will mostly teach them how to improve the soil to be organic soil. Sometimes the soil, you see, like this, and so very less of nutrient also. And this tree, for example, this tree, there are no flower. See, there are no flower. So the farmer, they like me to induce a flower, and then after I make sure this one, the phosphorus is very low phosphorus, and nitrogen is so high nitrogen. So after that, I recommend them to apply the organic fertilizer with high phosphorus, about 3 kilograms per tree, and before apply we remove the leaf that munch allow the under canopy, and apply direct into the soil under rhizosphere soil. And after that, let the water continue water at least 3 to 5 days to let the available phosphorus get into the soil and the root uptake into the plant to stimulate flower. And after that, we after watering for 5 days or 7 days, let the soil surface a bit dry, and after that we start to water again and keep water again, and together with the spraying the one of my research bioproduct, that is bioflower, stimulate root growth, and at the result you see already at the result, and after that the flower will come out a lot, and this is that means we manage the C/N ratio by this time should be low nitrogen for easy understanding, and after the flower come out, you can cover the leaf or mulching under canopy again. So please remember that, and do as I recommendation. This one I have been not only for the durian, not only for durian, but also I use the techniques to stimulate the fruit production. Especially we are doing the organic fruit production. So when in the flower, we cannot use any synthetic chemical, any hormone, pen regulator, synthetic pen regulator we cannot use, but you can use this technique to induce the flower, and this is a very successful. I confirm, and after that you can that's you see, you observe that I always
This is demonstration how
this is another one.
soil for planting. Firstly, you can see that the nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, and magnesium very low, and pH about 6. After that, we can apply our liquid biofertilizer we have done by ourselves, and after that, you can see that the NPK will be increased immediately to be better nutrient in the soil and plant. After that, we can plant.
After that we can
This
plant
is
by
how to
organic
make
way.
a very good soil by our technique. So this is we start to apply our liquid biofertilizer that we made it, and you can see what is the change now.
Just gentle
This way. Then
because we have to
after
protect
that, you can see now
see?
now nitrogen, nitrogen 60,
increasing immediately. You see
See?
nitrogen form.
and phosphorus 60, and potassium increased to be 95, and magnesium increased to be 500. pH also about 6, and this is, you can see that our liquid fertilizer we have done by ourselves.
This is the way that I used to talk
improve
to
soil immediately
inform you
before
already.
doing before planting organically. This is I teaching how to improve the soil to be organic soil immediately. First time the NPK.
This is I have the
magnesium
recommendation.
very
This
low
one in
pH.
China. This
After
one.
we put our liquid biofertilizer, the nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, and magnesium available increase a lot, and pH also increase to be 6. Then we can apply this
Now we can start to
liquid
plant
biofertilizer. The one that
organic
we have
already.
been plant already, we let it dilute 1 to the 2. I mean liquid fertilizer 1 part, and water 2 part to apply this one, and the plant will be grow very well with rich of nutrient. After we check the NPK in the soil they planted under already, the pH still a bit acid and nitrogen
15. Remember that? Yeah, this is not good soil.
and then potassium 31.
I will
magnesium
adjust
1
immediately. You can see.
37. So and after that, apply our liquid biofertilizer. Apply. We after apply. Okay. And now we apply our liquid biofertilizer. After apply that, After apply, you can see nitrogen. Nitrogen increase
increase
62
from 15 to
59
62 already.
60,
See,
and
nitrogen is enough
potassium
already.
is 164, and magnesium also increased to be 150. And this is the, it means that this liquid fertilizer can be used to apply in our organic field. Okay ละ So now we have been check the nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium,
This
and
is
magnesium.
in China.
Now
They
we
don't
have
know about the
about
soil. You see,
15,
they don't know how to
19,
improve the soil. I will check the
50,
plant not
and
grow very well
nitrogen,
organically.
phosphorus, potassium, and
You see,
magnesium, and pH
nitrogen is about 17 only.
is okay.
After that, I will
And at the same
improve by
time,
adding
we
the
also check
good
heavy metal.
liquid.
5
Heavy
kind
metal
of
also,
heavy
you see.
metal. They are remaining in the soil. I will check if they are over heavy metal. We have the microorganism to degrade heavy metal in the soil. That will be make the plant become.
So the soil is so
healthy.
really low nutrient. You see.
This
And
is
after that,
already
after we put
chai.
the liquid
And,
nitrogen,
after we put our
liquid fertilizer,
nitrogen,
you see,
increase
nitrogen
to be
increased to be 62
62
from 15.
50,
Nitrogen 62 is good enough already for early stage.
increase to be 127, magnesium 216. And this is the pH also good.
pH also increasing to
about
be over 6.
pH about 6 already.
6.5.
6.5, yes.
This one, and this is very become good soil immediately for the organic vegetable production. This is the organic chili. So we have.
So I have
check
been
the
recommend
organic
also
chili.
to
Now
make the
the
organic
pH
soil
is,
to get really good yield.
6,
Otherwise, this chili is so weak.
26.
They have only 26 nitrogen. It's not enough. This is, you see, at least over 50 at least in pK.
And also the heavy metal, 5 heavy metal remaining in the soil. I will recommend to degrade heavy metal by using microorganism in this chili, in this organic chili.
This is in China.
อันนี้เป็นปลูกพริก
So this is
ออร์แกนิกในประเทศจีน
in China. I talk in Thai.
มียังมีพวกโลหะหนัก
A lot they are still have the heavy metals remain in the soil, and also the
pH ของดินก็ประมาณ แล้วก็
pH about 6,
20
nitrogen about 20,
80
and a bit low. All nutrients is a bit low.
มีธาตุอาหาร
So this is after this I recommend to apply the liquid fertilizer that I teach them how to make it.
ประเทศจีน
Yeah, like that. That this is
We
in
add
China. And after that you
liquid
continue
fertilizer
using.
that we have done here, and then we will know the result immediately about especially about nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium. They will be immediately increased or not. So after that, apply liquid fertilizer. We have been checked now, right now. The nitrogen increase นะเนี่ย
Nitrogen, you see,
nitrogen
increase to
33,
be
phosphorus 45, potassium 8,
even they increase also.
magnesium
If
increase to be
we add-
292.
add more
That means
organic
this
fertilizer will
liquid
increase more.
fertilizer
You see.
can work well also immediately. Very good. This is in sweet potato organic sweet potato plantation. We have been checked now. Nitrogen very low, about 7.
Nitrogen only 7. Okay, that's why not grow very well.
Magnesium only 85, and other 5 heavy metal
So
also
very low
have.
nutrient, as you said. pH is okay, 6.5.
We will let they add our liquid bio fertilizer, and we can see the result immediately.
那边产
Now we start to apply our liquid bio fertilizer. we apply our liquid bio fertilizer, and you can see
So
immediately what
they increase immediately on nutrient,
and after
especially
at I
NPK.
measure immediately nitrogen increase to be
increasing over 20
27
or 30.
phosphorus
They're increasing more.
21 potassium
If you add
92,
more,
and magnesium
if you add more
magnesium
organic
230
liquid
and
fertilizer
also
will
some
be increased more. This is the
heavy
way
metal
how to
still have, so I
improve
will let
the organic
they
soil.
use the microorganism that then can degrade heavy metal also, and but you can see that the our liquid biofertilizer can increase available NPK and magnesium immediately, and pH also improved
6.5.
to be 6.5, and this is a very good liquid biofertilizer to apply here in the organic life field, organic field here.
And if the soil is good, the root is come out a lot in the surface of the soil. If you improve the soil very well to be rich soil, and this sometime I went to the farmer and to check the soil, mostly the very low nutrient, and on tree also on nutrient, and this is the turn back to Thailand, and we have been checked. This durian is infected. This root rot. The root rot causes by the phytoplankton. pH about 6.2. But but nitrogen only 6, phosphorus 9, potassium only the 6. So low NPK, and the other also low, magnesium only 130, and sulfur 3.4, and copper 0.1. So the molybdenum on the low, like zinc only 1.0. So this is all nutrient is low, that and the plant is weak. That's why the roots are infected with the phytoplankton. This is because the plant is weak also. So you see. So if you apply the chemical fertilizer, you cannot get on nutrient necessarily. So the leaf that I recommend you to cover the soil or mulching, and after we spray the biodecomposer or microorganism to degrade the leaf, plant rabies under canopy, on of the nutrient will be increases. Sure, and I have been done a lot in many countries, and also in Thailand. So many. So this is the soil will be good, especially if you are going to do the organic. This is organic production, organic crop production, and this one also they do organic. The plant not go very well. I've been there and I check. They don't know how to make the organic soil. That's why the plant not grow very well. They get very low gene do organic because they don't know how to improve the soil. So the nitrogen, this is we control available. This only NPK. So below is so very low. We are working as the scientific basis. Nitrogen available only 3.3 only, so low. L19 is so low. How can they successful to plant organic? Because they without they cannot apply the chemical fertilizer. So that means that it is important to manage nutritional management in the soil if you are going to do the organic. Not only vegetable, but also is very important to if you are going to do the organic fruit production. Imagine that in the fruit tree like durian, mangosteen, citrus, pomelo, and others. they have the root system, or we call lysosphere soil. So the on lysosphere soil, you must be adjust on the system that I call, this is my biotechnique. That means we adjust the pH of the soil, and we apply the very good quality of the organic fertilizer, either powder formulation or liquid formulation into the lysosphere soil, and pH of in lysosphere soil will be very good, and that is when we let your fruit tree very healthy, and if the fruit tree very healthy, when the plant will be growing well and strong, and also immune or resistant to disease and insect as well. So this is I suggest them how to improve the soil like that.
ทุเรียนต้นเนี้ย
Now this is the durian. It's incredible that this durian have been planted for 5 years, but it's stunting. It's not grow well, not die, and not grow 5 years. So is this you can prove that if you apply the farmer apply only chemical fertilizer, the plant not grow. Why? We observe that the pH is very low pH. That means the plant cannot uptake the nutrient, and this is very clear. And after I check this durian tree why not grow is the root rot also. The root rot is caused by the Phytophthora, sure, and the root system is also not good. The root is growing more deep in the soil, Actually, in the soil surface is more oxygen. In deep soil is less oxygen and more carbon dioxide. If the ratio of the carbon dioxide and oxygen is not proper, is not balanced, the plant will not cannot absorb brilliant. So now they apply the liquid biofertilizer with the chitomium to biofungicide. You see, but put into the soil, we make the hole already, and then this tree, you see 5 years already, too small. I recover this tree within 2 months. The new leaf the roots will be stopped and new root come out, and after that new leaf fresh will be come out. I'm sure this is only 2 months I will apply. This is also the another durian tree in the same area also is 5 years. It's not grow, not die. You see, that's the same problem. You see, they apply the liquid fertilizer and soil conditioner into the hole that I make it. You see, and so we have the chitomium also. Another thing is I forget to tell you, I also they apply the nano ester for plant immunity to let the durian immunity. The durian will be the infected durian will be produce phytoalexins against the Phytophthora disease. This is my research result is good already. So see, in this area on durian is 5 years old, not grow very well and stunting the same. So I use the biotechnique that I said, the same that you see. We make the hole, and you can see we apply the organic fertilizer, and what they spray in, that is a liquid organic fertilizer with chitomium biofungicide, and also nano ester for plant immunity. And this all of this durian tree that I sold from him is recovered in 2 months. And after that I teach them bring the soil to measure that the soil is so very low, and how to make the organic soil. I teach them to know exactly. We have the very good organic fertilizer. This is very bad soil, very acid soil, hard. This is clay soil, you see. And after that we mix the organic fertilizer into the soil. The clay soil is about 8 parts, and organic fertilizer with about 2 parts, and the soil will become good soil and rich of nutrients. This is, you see, this is another view. The soil is so bad, and you see the durian, the soil is not good. And this one I detect pesticide in the soil also, insecticide, and you see the nutrient is very low. NPK very low, then plant not growth well also. This is the plant already 2 years, and then I recover within 2 months. Another thing is I come to teach the farmer. I come to teach the farmer how to make the different formulation of the organic fertilizer with high nitrogen, high phosphorus, and high potassium. And in each formulation, what the raw material they have in local area, and then after that I make decision that what did the composition for to produce the organic fertilizer high nitrogen, organic fertilizer with high phosphorus, and organic fertilizer with high potassium, or organic fertilizer with high NPK, but it is necessary to mix in each formulation. We have the microorganism like fungi, different species of fungi, different species of bacteria, Actinomyces and Streptomyces. We have a group of the microorganism that this microorganism biodecomposer to produce the organic fertilizer with high nitrogen. Another group of microorganisms that this microorganism that can degrade or to more available phosphorus, and another group is a microorganism that can degrade and get more available K, like that. In this area is in Thailand, in northeast area of Thailand and close to Cambodia. The people in this area also speak the both language, Thai language and Cambodian language. And in this area, the farmer is so poor. They try to do organic, but not successful. They said after they do organic, even fruit tree like durian is not grow very well, and also the vegetables on kind of vegetable also not grow very well. They make the compost by themselves without knowledge, and most of them also apply the animal dung without composting. That is, and this is the government officer. They come to support us. This is a from Department of Land Reform, Ministry of Agriculture in Thailand. They also this Department of Land Reform really to help the farmer to plant to do the organic by by my way. That means I talk modern organic agriculture. The modern organic agriculture, that means we do the organic agriculture with scientific basis. That means everything can be proved by science, and the result is good as compared to the chemical production. So this is we very successful in many areas, in not only in Thailand but also in other countries that invite me to be there. And this is very most important that I concentrate about the soil first. So that means in your mind, if you like or you wish to do the organic fruit production, it is important about you must be concerning about the soil improvement, the soil quality under the canopy in rhizosphere soil. You get the point. And at the same time, I can guarantee that the production cost will be the reduced also, and the soil will be very good. Will be rich soil. That means rich of nutrient, like forestry soil. So that means after that the soil will be keeps moisture, and then will be use less water as compared the chemical one, as compared to chemical, because the soil can absorb or water holding capacity is better than the chemical soil. This is very clear, and this is the target of this training. That is we like the farmer being make the organic fertilizer with different formulation, follow my techniques and using my biodecomposer in different one. And other thing is the farmer in this area, they have their own farm that divided by Department of Land Reform to give them the land to do agriculture and increase income because all of them is poor. So they have tried really that I say they have tried to do organic but not grow very well. Even chemical also not grow very well. They said the soil in this area is so bad, then the water in this area is big enough. That is just only soil improvement. They will be successful. The important thing is another important thing is if they can after they produce the organic like organic vegetables, organic fruits. After I go to inspection the soil water for the pesticide residual detection and also nitrate in water in soil and in the product. I also do this process for organic certified, and after that I suggest them recommend them how to growing the vegetables and also the organic the fruit tree. In this area they also interesting to start to plant the durian also. So this is important that from when starting to plant durian they must be prepare the soil become organic soil, easy would become organic soil before the planting the durian also. They want to do together. So in between row they plant durian and in between in the row they plant durian tree or other fruit tree, and in between they will plant the organic vegetable, organic papaya or the organic pineapple or something like that in organic way. And I will after that I will inspection on thing on chemical that I said, and then after that not depend on the times, and after that I will tryingly check the chemical residue and others with the chemical laboratory that I said under ISO standard, and if not detected I will apply, I will certify organically immediately. And in Thailand now, after I certify the organic, we call Earthsafe Powerwise at Sea organic certified. The farmer can deliver or sell the organic products in to the central top supermarket in Thailand also. This is also very important. Also, if after they plant, they can do it as compared to chemical already, but they must be have the marketing also. This is on the important point is in your country. Do not have market. You have to think about this, and you have to try to approach to the market. I use it to be the organic consultant in Lao PDR many years ago. I think about almost 20 years ago until now. And at that time the farmer is very poor, and after that I promote them to do organic together with the Department of Agriculture, Ministry of Agriculture in Laos, and we find the market. That means we open organic market to them, and after we certify we will let the farmer come to sell the organic vegetable, organic fruits by themselves with the local special organic market that the government provide to them. And after that the promotion. So you know what happened? This market is grow up. Organic market in Laos is grow up. Like a recommendation until now is 20 years already, and the farmer to do organic is more and more, and they can come to sell the organic vegetables, organic fruit, organic banana, organic citrus, and others by themselves and get very good income. So if especially by this time the toxic chemical residue in the vegetable in fruit a lot and it's called cancer. Everybody know about that. So it is a very good idea that I have been done and very successful to promote market in some country. Make it do like this also. If the government is not really concerned, we can try to group together. So we can something like we have to group together to have the power in the market also. If you plant alone, you have very few product. It's maybe difficult to do the market also. And this is I like to introduce you or recommend you to group together to do the organic like the organic fruit production association in your country, like which kind of fruit production, for example, durian or the mangosteen or mango or citrus, group together to be partner to each other, and you will be have the power in the market, and this is the way to find the market also, and it is the not what he talked. It is important today. He said he rely on the farmer concentrate and intend what I training to do the organic. This is not only talking. I will not only talking, but also after I teach them, they will divide it into 3 groups. One group will be practical training to do the organic fertilizer with high nitrogen. The second group will be training for the produce the organic fertilizer with high phosphorus, and the third group will be training to produce the organic fertilizer with high potassium. And today I also in that day also I also talk with them on the process to improve the soil, how is it important. This water also important, but if you have water enough, then the water is the most important. If you have the soil, any kind of soil, like clay soil, silt soil, sandy soil, or loamy soil, and that soil, if they are low the fertility, if low fertility, you cannot be success to do organic, even the chemical one. So this is the will be up if you successful to do organic, you will be healthy, your health will be good, and life will be longer. Most of the farmer they spray the chemical before, and then the life is not long, they are short life. Most of them die or pass away caused by the cancer. It is a lot, and this is the we also try to let them understand first about the concept how to improve the soil by their way. They can make the organic fertilizer by themselves. If you don't have microorganism, you can use the raw material that I suggest you to composting in different formulation. But maybe you if you don't have the potent microorganism, you may you cannot see its microorganism is very small. You cannot see by your naked eye, but you can do it. And just let the local microorganism get involved. If you have lucky, you will be composting. Compost will be completely ferment faster. But some area they don't, the raw material they also they use chemical before. They have chemical residue, they have the pesticide residue in the raw material, and that is the local the microorganism will be less or no, is when we take time for the composting, maybe 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, or something like that. So if you have the microorganism, but I cannot give everybody free also because they have the cost. But by today I help the farmer, especially in Thailand. I did not get the profit. I get just only the production cost of the biodecomposer. So to give contribute to the organic farmer to let they do by themselves also. A lot of the countryside in rural area, a lot of the poor people, we have to help them to get more income. They not only get more income but also to let them be healthy also. And this is what we have done. We try to build up their life from the poor. And some farmer now is also debt money. They borrow money from agricultural bank, and they don't have money to return also. So this is what we like to help the poor by organic way. But in Thailand I can do very fast, and they can help them because I have a chance to after that mean if I certify the farmer can deliver the organic products, organic fruits, organic vegetable into the supermarket. That is the acceptable level already. So this is a very good chance for them also. That means after they plan they have this one. And this is I also let the farmer brought the soil in his plantation to measure what happened in his soil. In his soil, in his soil. So in his soil, in his plantation. So he bring the soil sample. Let me check one by one. After that, they will know that in the land, in his farm, what about the nutrient in his farm. And you can see after I check, soil is very acid and very low nutrient. And after that I let they use the organic fertilizer that I brought there. The organic fertilizer mix into the poor soil immediately. You see, let's treat them how to do the organic. And after that we measure immediately about the nutrient.
นี่ในแค่เบื้องต้นที่ใส่แค่2 กำมือคนอื่นใส่3 กำมือ
So you see
จะเห็นว่า
after apply organic fertilizer mix, nitrogen increased to be 123 immediately. Phosphorus 170, potassium 190 milligram per kilo. It increased immediately if you have the organic compost, and the pH is about 6.1, pH 1 already. That is the proper already. See, so this is she understand how to make the organic soil in his farm, and this is only they plant fruit tree, and the soil is a sandy soil. We can see that in sandy soil, they use the animal dung without fermentation. And after that I measure, I put the water because we need the water to serve the nutrient after measure. Phosphorus 9, see, so low. So all nutrient low. Minor long only 0.1, 0.3, no iron, and manganese, no manganese. See, So this is a very poor soil. That's why this plant is not grow very well. You see, the plant is not grow very well and little leaf and yellow. You see, they say they apply animal dung already, but into the bottom of the hole like that. So the plant not go well. So I immediately teach them how to put after we apply the organic fertilizer. What will happen? And this one I sure that it will recover immediately because the what we do is the organic fertilizer, liquid organic fertilizer maybe. I already try. Yeah. I will let they apply the powder organic fertilizer with powder formulation. They will see by their eyes. See, this is a King Kwame organic fertilizer that I have done in powder formulation. You see. So they are open now, and then we apply organic fertilizer. See, about 1 kilogram. Not maybe about too much, but it's okay. It's okay. We mix together. You see, when after that we mix to the soil, mix and then watering to let the plant have more. Let the soil have more nutrient, more nutrition, available nutrition. This plant will be grow within 2 weeks, I'm sure. And you see, after that the color soil changes. You see, and after that we measure. After measure we must be watering, because what we measure is a soluble nutrient. That means the ready nutrient for the plant growth. I will measure on nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, calcium, sulfur, magnesium, and also copper, boron, molybdenum, zinc, choline, iron, and manganese. I will measure on, and also together with the heavy metal also, because if we are going to do the organic, it should be less heavy metal. And as I said, if the higher over heavy metal, we will recommend them to apply microorganisms that can degrade heavy metal like that. And then I ask the water to dissolve the fertilizer. So now we put the water already. We put the water. Must be careful because the equipment is a bit expensive also that I have. This is the after that we let the water release the fertilizer into solution form. And what you can see soon what happened. The nutrients is increased or not. You can see. And this is a scientific way. I not lie. Everybody can see by your eye. That's why I said that before organic farm I can do immediately. Not somebody said that they do organic farm, they improve the soil. They need about 5 years, 10 years to improve the soil. But for me, I can improve immediately. No need to wait for 10 years to improve the soil. But we must have the scientific knowledge. Good inputs with good organic fertilizer to improve the soil, become organic soil like fertilizer. So now the nitrogen is increased over 100 on. You see, immediately over. So the NPK, if they have more than 100 milligram per kilo or 100 ppm per kilogram of soil, that is good enough for the plant growth already. So you see, all nutrient increase, the boron, everything increase, and iron come. The iron come already. Manganese also coming already. First time no iron and no manganese. Now you can see. You can come to see by your eye. So now all nutrient coming here. This plant will be so happy. This plant, they are smiling already. You see, the plant is smiling. Oh, I get very good food already. Today I will eat a lot, and then I will grow very well. That's it. So, and this is the way they asking about the how to apply. So this is they ask about the quality of the fertilizer. So I check. They ask me why I have to put the water. When I mix the water, big water into soil, You see, nitrogen is 500. See, nitrogen available in 500. You see,
ขึ้นมา550
you see, see, and then phosphorus. You see, phosphorus.
ที่ละลายน้ำพืชเอาไปใช้
Yeah,
ได้
the solvent phosphorus
750
750
K
ppm.
ใช้ได้
K available K
1,400
1400 ppm. See,
เข้าใจที่ผม
they understand. So that mean this is a very good organic fertilizer. So sometimes they can make the liquid fertilizer. Use my organic fertilizer. My organic fertilizer to make the solution and make the solution to be liquid organic fertilizer immediately and use the liquid fertilizer that I show, that I demonstration apply to the soil. This is a modern organic agriculture, and the farmer said this is a new technique. They never know about this before, and they said they are touched because of, not because of me, but because of the equipment or something like that. So now all everybody understand now. So now we are moving to the others also to repeat them, to let them more confidence and more understanding about how to improve the soil. You see, the soil is sandy soil. You see, and in my hand, I can see it's sandy soil. So the organic matter is so low, mostly zero. Incredible in this soil, sandy soil, and in this area, you know, they have been plant cassava and sugarcane before, and during the farmer plant the cassava and sugarcane, they never apply organic fertilizer. They apply only chemical fertilizer, NPK only. So the other nutrient is also loose on. Most of them zero. Oh, incredible! This is I have seen, and then after that I check to confirm again after I talk, and you can see we need the water to, if there is the nutrient in the soil, the water will dissolve, and we can know the result. And you see, put a lot of water because it's sandy soil. You see, we make a lot of water, sandy soil. Yeah, that I said. So let's see the result. So after we now we are going to read the nitrogen 4. Phosphorus, no phosphorus. You see, zero. Potassium 28, calcium 100, sulfur 0.4, boron 0.2. All minor elements is 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.9. That is very low the nutrient at all. So that's why if you are planting, do organic, the plant will not grow very well. And if you also during you do organic, you did not understand about the soil condition, you will be not successful. So this is I will repeat to teach you again. If you make the very good organic fertilizer, you can mix organic fertilizer into the sandy soil. This sandy soil you can see, and then in the big area you can plowing after you apply the good organic fertilizer. You have to training to make very good organic matter. Today I will teach everybody how to make the good organic fertilizer today. But this time you learn first. After you get the good organic fertilizer, what you have to do. So after we mix the organic fertilizer with the sandy soil, mix together, and we watering, and let the nutrient, available nutrient, come out from the organic fertilizer, and after that you can measure and immediately. So as compared to the other organic fertilizer, they mostly some organic fertilizer they mix the soil, but my organic fertilizer I never been mix the soil. So after that we water. So now we are going to read what happened after we mix the organic fertilizer into the sandy soil to become organic soil. So now we are going to read, waiting for a while. Now the
ก็จะเห็นว่าเนี่ยหลังจากเอาปุ๋ย
now
มีคุณภาพ
after mix organic fertilizer
นะใส่ลงไปแล้วเนี่ยพอใส่ลงไปแล้วเนี่ยจะเห็นว่าไนโตรเจนขึ้นมาเท่าไหร่243
nitrogen 243
ฟอสฟอรัส161
phosphorus 160
50
potassium 400
82
calcium 180 manganese 72 magnesium 600
สังกะสี 1.1
zinc 1.1
โมลินัม 1.8
molybdenum also increase 1.8
0.4 ที่ค่าฐาน
so if all nutrient increase immediately see this is look like fertility soil that's why I said we can adjust the soil to be the organic soil immediately do not wait this is a group that they are let's me training to do organic and sometimes in the soil we have to measure the nitrate in the soil also that the clean color that mean less free nitrate and if soil is really good you see the root is growing going on the surface a lot because in the surface especially in the fruit tree if you make very soil good the root will be grow up on the surface and this is we munching that one we munching the surface of the soil to keep the moisture see if you make very good the plant will be growing if very good soil and how to this is we have the pipe make the hole for the own tree fruit tree to make the hole like this allow the rhizosphere and put the organic fertilizer into the hole to improve the rhizosphere soil and I also go several places to check and sometimes in water in product we check from Salmonella and E. coli by quick test as you see also because we are do organic and this is the plant organic cannabis and they have the problem that the organic cannabis is not grow after plant what happened and they could not apply any chemical fertilizer also for the cannabis in Thailand now is the government allow is not illegal it's not legal they make the permission from the government and now we measure the
Actually, we should have the
you can see
how to apply bio product for stimulate plant growth and for protection. And this is today I come to check. You can see that now today the nitrogen 48, phosphorus 72, potassium available 194, magnesium 560, and sulfur 28, no problem. And calcium 900, no problem. Zinc 8.6, no problem. This nutrient available is okay for the plant growth. Nitrogen 48 or 50, okay lah. So but the problem is pH still low.
you see
You can see 5.8 at the surface and deep is 5.2. So this is I will recommend to adjust the pH. After adjust the pH, they will grow very well. The wind will grow very well to observe to
because
the plant
after
growth very well
adjust the
because
pH to be proper until 6.5 they will
by this time.
uptake
This is
the nutrient
recommendation.
to the
But
plant.
you can see that I think we should have the adjust the relative humidity. When come here, get in now, you feeling hot. You see, feeling very hot.
Yes.
When compared to outside.
Yes.
This is you can I'm sure that the temperature inside is higher than outside.
Yes.
So that means we have to reduce temperature by we add more relative humidity. I think that the if like this the
I
plant will
just
not grow very well.
recommend to use the
And the
irrigation
soil
systems
temperature also
mist
also soil temperature
to
also
higher relative humidity
yes.
So,
in the greenhouse.
this is a I
This
recommendation.
is get involved
Okay?
together.
Yes.
That's all.
Relative humidity.
And another thing is, I think we do must have the program. The program how to maintain the tree. Do not have the program. For example, what time you watering,
Okay.
how and every day watering, how many minutes to the moist the soil, and also apply the bio fertilizer, either the powder bio fertilizer and liquid bio fertilizer. You must have the program. After they are growing for a while, you like to induce flower, you must have to adjust the bio fertilizer with high phosphorus to induce flower. And after they have flower and learning food set, you have to apply the fertilizer with high potassium. So I recommend to have the program
Okay.
add into the soil, and also spraying. Also, you must be have the program to apply for disease protection. Otherwise, after disease come, we are very tired to control the disease and more the cost of production. But if you protection, for example, during for the disease control, you can apply chitomium for disease control and nano lister for immunity. Maybe every week, every 7 or 10 days, like that. And at the same time, we apply the bioinsect and Yalagua every 7 day or 10 day for protection insect, like that. So this is will be protection cost totally will be lower. If you waiting for the disease come out like at the other, the disease invest 80% ready, then we are going to control. So difficult, so tedious work, and also the yield will be not good quality. So protection is the best one,
Yeah,
but you
yeah.
must have the program. Okay,
Yes.
that's all. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
So this is I recommend
The bigger one.
other
Yeah, we
thing
can
you can
examine.
see.
This is the bigger one. What happened in this lysosphere soil? You can see that in the lower surface in under lysosphere soil, the pH is 5.5, and upper is 5.6, nitrogen 22, phosphorus 178, and potassium 696, and magnesium 924, and sulfur 32, calcium 286, and zinc 1.9. So this is supposed to be low problem, but a bit low nitrogen.
The
but
same
it's low
problem.
Yeah? It can be. And if like this, I recommend to apply more amino acid, or we can apply NutriCrop, like that, together with the adjust the pH a little. Then we grow better than, even faster than this. But at the same time, you can see the heavy metal. Heavy metal now the very low. You see, Hg is about 0.02. Arsenic is 14. Chromium 29, and lead or PB 19, and cadmium 0.01. This is lowest at before.
In this
that's
cannabis
my
farm, they are
recommendation.
do
The
organic,
same,
they try
we must
to
be
do
take care
organic
about the pH
certified
of the
also.
soil, and also have the program from planting until harvesting. How we manage to apply the bio product, yeah, from now until harvesting. That will be great. That's all. Thank you.
So the other farm
This is a
also,
symptom of the insect. The insect
can
absorb
see
the
this is insect,
nutrient from leaf. You can see the leaf symptom. So you can see it on the leaf, and they will be also embedded to the new leaf also. That's why I recommend to apply the bio insect and also Yaragua, maybe
This is,
alternative apply.
Metallizing
But
Bulia
if
and also
it
BT,
is
Bacillus
good, you can
thuringiensis.
apply
That is
for protection, for disease protection.
Insect
Using
protection,
Ketomet
disease
and
protection.
nanolicitor. And for insect protection, use the apply the bioinsect and Yaragua in alternative and will be very good help. This is must be careful, must be careful. The soil that Mr. Tan mixed by ourselves and then also apply the KS the decomposer to degrade chemical residual in the soil. And today the soil is really good. You can see the green color, and this is safety for nitrate already.
It's clean
That is
color.
very good. We check the soil, organic soil. That means the Thana mixed by yourself. And
I teach
after
them
mix,
already how
we
to
make
make
the organic soil,
and
I
he
treat.
that it he
After
did
we
it.
have the organic soil, we start to plant the how many
This
days?
is grow
ago?
very well, you see.
How many days? How many days?
สมมุติอันนี้ปลูกประมาณจากเมล็ดได้ประมาณสองเดือน
about 2 months. But
From
transfer,
seed
ย้าย
about
transfer
two
after
months.
transfer until now.
10 วัน
ไม่ถึง
You just transfer
about 10 days.
for
about
10 days.
So today we have to check the soil property. You can see that the pH is 5.8 and
bit low.
5.8 same.
Okay.
5.8 same.
We
So
have
we
to
will
adjust
adjust for
more.
a little to be 6.5. That's no problem. But the very good that you can see nitrogen. Nitrogen is 67.
Yes.
Phosphorus 49 and potassium 233, the magnesium 620, the sulfur 35, zinc 4.8 enough, and calcium 667, and this is the for the nutrient available is enough for the growth. That's why this one grow very well.
Yes.
But you just adjust the pH of the soil for a little bit. They will be better than this. At the same time, you can see that the Hg very low,
Heavy metal.
0.05.
Yes.
Cadmium 0.1. Arsenate 15, and the chromium 200, and lead or Pb 67. This is very low because the in this soil, organic soil, we use together with the KS biodecomposer. In KS biodecomposer we have microorganisms that degrade heavy metal คือมีจุลินทรีย์ย่อยโลหะหนักใช่ไหม so this by this time is very low to be the standard already this one. And this is past. I hope this cannabis organic tree will be grow very well. Thank you very much. Thank you. Jesse juice variety. You can see nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, sulfur, magnesium, zinc, and calcium is enough. And the pH 6 we will adjust for a little bit in the upper and the lower, and also the heavy metal very low. You can read. Heavy metal really low become the standard lately, and this I hope this cannabis tree will be grow really well. I will recommend to adjust the pH of soil a little bit. That is a very good result. The organic soil that we have done ourselves for plant the organic cannabis. We mix with the king farmer organic fertilizer together with the soil and adjust the pH and at the 9 to the 1. The soil 9 part and the king farmer is 1 part. Okay, and after that you add also the perlite, and then today with this we can say that we will incubate before we use it to let the soil adjust to itself. And today you can see that pH 6, pH in the lower 6.8, but upper is about 6. Upper is about 6. Nitrogen is about 180. Phosphorus 175. Potassium
This,
280.
milligram per
Zinc
kilo or ppm.
9.5 enough. Magnesium 27. Sulfur 23. Calcium 217. And this is enough. Now, this is the nutrient is enough. But if you see the arsenate is 106, the Hg 0.5 and chromium 300 and BP or lead 20, cadmium 0.1. I sure that because this one we have applied the KS biodecomposer and I sure that the microorganism that degrade heavy metal will continue to work, will be lower as we measure in the glass house. And this is the I think is proper enough. But before you are going to apply or bring this one to plant, this organic soil must be adjust pH again by use lambing adjust again. Okay, until you can try to adjust until 6.5 and the plant will be grow very well. And this is our organic soil.
Okay.
To pour the cannabis. Organic cannabis. That's it. That's okay. Good. Thank you.
Nitrate.
Nitrate. I will measure the nitrate.
I will measure the
where
nitrate
is the-
also. The nitrate is chemical residue. Okay, here.
I will measure the
if-
nitrate
You see
accumulation
what
in soil
if they
also.
are
Then
red color, that means
you
nitrate
can
accumulate.
see,
If they are green color, that means free nitrate or less nitrate for the is a safety already.
pass.
Pass,
Huh?
you see, it's green color. You can see
Pass.
pass.
Actually, they
green
still
color.
have some nitrate, but I think after you incubate, after 10 days will be no. There's a cushion, then we still have a bit nitrate in the soil.
Okay.
But no problem, if like this, will become green
Safety,
soon.
You become
because we
green
have
color soon,
microorganisms
but I see.
to degrade. Okay?
โอเค
cushion ใช่ป่ะ cushion
มันชัดเจนดีนะอาจาร
เนี่ย
ย์
cushion เนี่ย
Yeah, this is very clear. This is what we measure the nitrate, and this is to the if the soil have the chemical fertilizer resident accumulation in the soil, we can see a lot of nitrate also. And this is the in banana farm, in other farm, we also check the nitrate accumulation in the soil and also the other nutrient. As I said, so you have to learn more. This is also nitrate is a safety. Also, so we check together not only heavy metal but also we check nitrate in the soil also. And this is typically in China. In China also, I mean that I teach the Chinese farmer how to improve the soil to be organic soil immediately and come back to Thailand again. And this is
มันเนี่ยเราเอาปุ๋ยสูตรเสมอมาใส่ ปุ๋ยเสมอเนี่ยมันจะ
palm is not grow very
ไนโตร
well
เจนจะสูง
and
แล้วเสร็จแล้วพอใส่ปุ๊บแล้วน้ำไม่ขังอย่างนี้
they
นะใบจะกลับ
apply
ไปตรงนี้
only
จะเขียว
chemical
อย่าง
fertilizer but
อย่างนี้เขียวกลับได้
from today they will stop to
มันแค่ซีด
use and
มันแค่ซีด
they
แล้ว
stop
ใน
to
ปุ๋ย
apply any chemical
ปุ๋ยที่
Now
ที่เอามาเนี่ยปุ๋ยซีสูตรธรรมดาเนี่ยมันจะมีแมกนีเซียมด้วย
said the-
ไอ้แมกนีเซียมเนี่ยมันจะ
I
ให้ใบเขียวเพราะ
recommend
แมกนีเซียม
to improve the soil and root also rotting. That's why the plant not go very well. This dead palm, he already planted for years, but it's not grow well, and root is rot and also waterlock. So this the soil is a clay soil. I suggest them the soil is acid, and he said he already applied the lime, but why pH still acid? I said no, you should be apply lime soil conditioner together with the organic fertilizer, liquid organic fertilizer, and make the hole like this. You see, I make the hole. They use PVC deep into the hole and apply the liquid organic fertilizer with chitomium into the soil. This is this is in China, and I teach them. I always teach the farmer how to make the different formulation of the organic fertilizer. You can see this is high nitrogen 800 and 1000. So this is in nature. That means we have to learn about the soil in nature, especially in forestry. Now I go to the northeast of Thailand. They invite me. They like to measure the soil. So, so this is the same that the pH is in the soil very low, and after that I checked. I said that if we have a good organic fertilizer like this is organic fertilizer. They have the higher soluble nitrogen, higher soluble phosphorus, and potassium, and higher potassium, and they must be and on actually
นะโพแทสเซียมโอเคมีอยู่600
potassium is about 600 ppm, ppm, and the others calcium,
แคลเซียมนะครับ
calcium
แคลเซียมมีมากกว่า 1,900 เยอะมาก
1900 ppm. Calcium is higher in this organic fertilizer.
แมกนีเซียม
Magnesium
ตัวนี้ทำให้ใบเขียวนะแมกนีเซียมมี 1,400
1400 ppm is high enough.
เอ่อ
It's a major element.
กรรมฐานนี่ธาตุ
Sulfur
กรรมฐานที่มี102
102 ppm. This is very good enough for major element. This is very good liquid organic fertilizer. Lady, you can see.
ค่า EC 4
EC about 4. This is I think this is okay. Yeah, a bit high. But after they root into the soil, will be no problem. Yeah, after they dissolve the water and spray, will be no problem.
ผมว่าถ้าทหารลองให้
This is a minor element.
ปุ๋ยขี้ไก่นะครับ
What is this is we make the compost with a chicken dung. Copper 6.8 is okay.
นะโบรอน
Boron
11 นะครับ
11 is okay. It's pass also.
สังกะสี
Zinc
23
23 is okay. It's okay. It's good. It's good. This is minor element.
โมลิดีนัม
Molybdenum
7.2
72. This is okay.
เหล็ก
Iron
เหล็กนี่มีธาตุเหล็กมีอยู่75
50.1. This is and this is that mean this liquid fertilizer that's they make the composting with chicken dung with chicken dung, but they have be composting first,
อินทรีย์เคมี
and this is they test the other. They let me check the other chemical fertilizer. What else? What happened? And I disown the chemical fertilizer with water and check. Nitrogen. It's not when this so the nitrogen is about 1,000. Okay, this is a chemical fertilizer, and phosphorus
ต้องเปลี่ยนรวมครับเคมี 1,800 อันนี้ปุ๋ย
1,000 also,
ผสมปุ๋ยเคมีมาเต็มที่
and this is phosphorus. This phosphorus
ครับมี 1,700
also over 1,000. So NPK over 1,000.
พวกผสมอยู่แล้ว
So the pH
แต่ว่าเป็นกรด
pH is 3. Oh, so pH is 5. Is so a bit acid.
อันนี้เป็นกรดเวลาใส่ลงไปเนี่ย
So if we apply the pH is 5, the plant could not uptake the nutrient very well, like that. The others,
แคลเซียมมี
calcium also 900,
ซัลเฟอร์กรรมฐานมี 180
sulfur about 100.
เบาเท่าไหร่นะครับ
This is this organic chemical fertilizer, not pure chemical fertilizer. They mix a lot of the chemical fertilizer together with the organic fertilizer. They call organic chemical fertilizer. So, but it's acid, and it is a bit expensive. I asked him already, a bit expensive. I measured who on the minor element also. So as compared to the organic fertilizer that you doing by yourself, you can use because if we are doing by ourselves, it's a very cheap production cost. You can add more the liquid organic fertilizer as compared to the chemical one, and what we apply to the plant, it depends how big is the plant. If the plant smaller, they need nutrient not too much also. If the plant is bigger, they need more nutrient. Like human being, the children will be eat less than the older one. So if the first one eat the tree, the fruit tree, if you start to plant, the root will be uptake the nutrient less, just enough for them. But if the fruit tree is older, something like 10 year, 5 year, they will take more root. That is another farm, they plant the durian, and they said they plant the durian. They think after plant they use a chemical fertilizer, but after that they use the urea and 4600 and also the chemical fertilizer 15. But they said after a year the plant is done already. You see the leaf is, they said no new leaf come out, and then I checked the soil. The soil is so a bit sandy, a bit sandy soil, and very low on nutrient is very low, and the soil is so acid, very acid, you see, and some root also dry root also. I will take the sample to check in my laboratory they got the disease, Phytophthora disease or not. I will get the sample to be here, and this is the learning how to do. He is a policeman. He is the policeman that he try to plant the durian in his own farm also. And this is the nutrient I point out is a bit low because they never apply organic fertilizer and never apply even compost, chicken dung and other. They never apply. They use only chemical. But from today he meet me. He trusts me, and then he said from today he will stop the chemical, and then this one will become the organic durian farm. And then I said, okay, you start until now. If you have the problem, you can contact me anytime. At least another 4 years you have to take care without chemical, and then after you get the fruit, organic durian fruit, I will come to recommend you. I will come to certify organically. But at the time that if you are do organic, you have to apply, and then I will check the soil, water, and surrounding farm. What I check, and also check heavy metal. I will check our ASC standard for the organic certification. And after that, you try to manage nutritional management. Every 2 months you can get the new leaf every 2 months by my way, by my technique. Sure. Every 2 months you get so after 6 months the durian will be grow very well. I'm sure that. Please trust me. Another way, another farm that is turned back to China, I think.
Nitrogen 8,
Nitrogen 8,
6, and
phosphorus 6,
potassium 55, and soil is 5. Soil pH is 5.5, and this is a bit acid. So we have to adjust the soil at 6.5, and also this is the radish, right? Radish.
Nitrogen 8
actually,
only.
K should be
K
over
50.
than 100.
Too low.
This is too low. That's why this is not big enough, because NPK a bit low. So I also recommend to apply our liquid biofertilizer. At the same time, we can see heavy metal a bit low. Hg 0.07, AS10, cadmium 26, chromium 26,
こっちがやる
cadmium
やばい
0.1, and Pb 25, and this is low or mid hour standard for heavy metal in the soil, and this is the I will recommend how to show the
I
public.
want to check the nitrate accumulation also.
This is a new area that we are going to do organic crop production. And you can see that soil is acid 5 and nitrogen 26, phosphorus 12, K, potassium 51, a bit low. But anyway, can use our liquid biofertilizer. And for heavy metal, cadmium 0.1, Hg 0.06, but a bit higher is Pb 32, chromium 44, arsenic 14. So we can use the microorganism degrade heavy metal, Bacillus thuringiensis. This is the fourth point. pH also acid 5.12, nitrogen available 15, phosphorus 20, potassium 68, a bit low. Sure, I will recommend how to make to be organic soil. When we see the heavy metal, cadmium 0.1, cadmium 0.1, chromium a bit high 43, Hg 0.05, Pb 38, and Hg and arsenic 18.6. This is heavy metal. This is soil planted to Pamelo. pH about 6 is supposed to be okay. Can be increased a little, but available nitrogen only 11, phosphorus 22, K
Very
30,
low
a bit low.
NPK.
Can be used our fertilizer. For plant maybe actually normally over 50 normally, but for heavy metal a bit high is the chromium 42, Pb 23, arsenic 9, and cadmium 0.1, Hg 0.05. This is heavy metal. So we will be adjust the soil, improve the soil to be better.
So this is
What do you
what
call
we
it?
teach
One-
the farmer
Guanto.
in
Guanto.
China.
Nitrogen 25, 35, 60, higher than other, but should be 50 that I said. But soil a bit acid. If that to be 6, good, 6.5. The heavy metal okay. I think it's okay. Huh? Heavy metal okay. So take a sample to check pesticide detection. ตงหาย ตงหาน
This is the name of the plant in China.
pH
In this
6,
organic farm,
Low
they have the vegetable and also
heavy metal.
fruit tree. They have
Heavy
peas,
metal is,
cinnamon, and
no problem.
persimmon,
No problem.
and others.
So just add some, just add the
They have fruit
liquid
tree
on the
also. They have
fertilizer.
pomelo also in this organic farm in China. And this is that's mean how to improve the soil from the starting. If
So
that important.
วันนี้เนี่ย
This is
มา
turn
ทำสาธิต
back
ในการเตรียมดิน
to Thailand, and in this soil the farmer have been apply a lot of the chemical fertilizer and also on the chemical pesticide, and the farmer he's a huge try they need to be start to do organic, so that's why they invite me to be here. Firstly I come here to check soil and water and check
ซึ่งมีประมาณ
pH only NPK nitrogen only 5, 7, sick. So very low soil, very acid. How can you do organic? Even you do the, I'm sure that even you do the chemical one, you will put a lot of the chemical fertilizer and production will be high. We get not very good yield. I'm sure according to my experiences. So that's mean I will demonstrate you to mix with the organic fertilizer in this one in Horn area. Today we will adjust in Horn area is about 1 acres. After this
ที่พืชจะดูดไป
you
ใช้ได้
see,
ขึ้นมา63
and
แล้ว
then
ก็
after
โพ
we
แทสเซียม
mix
ที่
to
ละลาย
see
น้ำได้ที่พืชจะดูดไปใช้ได้เนี่ย
the
ขึ้นมา215
the
มิลลิกรัมต่อกิโลเพราะฉะนั้นตรงนี้เนี่ยมั่นใจ
nitrogen
ได้ว่า
phosphorus potassium is increasing over 200 milligram per kilo now after we mix with the organic fertilizer. You can see very well, and also the pH increased to be 6.3 to 6.5 already now. So this is become organic soil immediately, you see. And I will recommend to apply the microorganism to degrade heavy metal and also degrade nitrate accumulation in soil and others. So I let them mix the lime together with the organic fertilizer to adjust the pH of soil a little bit. We need water to also so the
มันจะคือเนี่ยเป็นธาตุอาหารที่มันปลดปล่อยใช่ไหมครับ
the organic fertilizer, the on way they have the microorganism, they are on way work in the soil that we treat, we apply on the soil because the my organic fertilizer, we can say the bio fertilizer, that mean organic fertilizer with the very good microorganism that I put together. They will get into the soil and will be release this and this I say that you check you have water. This is dolomite have calcium magnesium also, and after that you can check increase the soil pH the soil. Now the pH of the soil increasing to be 6.8 already, you see. And after that, after you make the organic soil in this whole area, today I brought enough the organic fertilizer. I will let you apply in on this area is about 2 lights is about 1 acres. And after we broadcast the organic fertilizer into this area, you use the tractor plowing, and after that we will measure again, and you will see the higher. And this is another one in Thailand. And sorry, I turn back to China again to teach the organic farmer to do the organic soil. And this is I teach this small organic farm how to make a model of a small organic farm. They make the organic compost by themselves, and the farm they plant the organic banana and organic fruit, some organic fruit trees. So different kind of the organic biodecomposer. I teach them how to do it, and it's very successful. And how to mix, and after that they get very good organic fertilizer with different formulation that I recommend. So they are so happy about this. And plant the fruit tree. This is that is mangosteen. They plant. So this is another area in the northeast of Thailand also. They are doing organic, but the soil is still not good enough because this is a bit sand. The soil a bit sandy. So that mean they have to learn, the farmer they have to learn how to make the soil will be become organic soil, rich of nutrients for the plant growth very well. So now after we mix the nitrogen increase to be over 100 on the increase after we apply the organic fertilizer. You see, and well, the plant still not really good enough. I think you have to adjust pH to the soil. pH is 3.5 only, so that means they have to apply lime or dolomite together with the organic fertilizer. That will be increasing pH. After pH becomes 6.5, nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, and others elements will be uptake by the root of the plant, and the plant will be grow very well. I'm sure. So I recommend the owner, the farm owner, to do this, and at the same time, this is they apply to let me to do organic certified. So we check heavy metal also heavy metal a bit high. So we will I recommend they to apply the microorganism to degrade heavy metal also. I'm sure that after apply the microorganism to degrade heavy metal will be reduced within a month. Like that, then this is by today this farm already certified organic, and the other farm also we come to check the soil in the organic farm. This organic farm also the plant not grow very well, and in Buriram province is northeast of Thailand. So this farm is do organic vegetables, and then they wish me to certify by EarthSafe and HC organic certified also. So after I measure the soil, and I saturate the soil a bit acid, and the nutrient not enough, the NPK not enough. That's why the plant not grow smoothly. Some is grow better, some is smaller and leaf pale leaf, not green. This is a kind of kale. So this see 0.1, 0.2, 0.3 or something like that. This is a very low nutrient, and the farmer they apply the chicken dung without compost, without fermentation. So that's why I always said do not use the animal dung without composting or without fermentation, and because the plant they are not degrading, they are not fermented, they still have no food for the plant, but they make the problem. They have hitting the soil and destroy the root. Also, if you use the animal dung without fermentation, that is, and the result, if you use you apply the animal dung without fermentation, the result will be slow also. That's why many people said that if you are do organic, the result is very slow as compared to chemical. That for my case, for my work, I work as a scientific basis. We can do it fast as chemical one, because we according to the scientific basis, we can make the organic fertilizer with the available nutrition as compared to chemical. So the result is will be fast as a chemical too, and the yield and quality is also the same as the chemical one. That's why I call this my technique, including biotechnique, including biotic factor concern, and this is from the scientific basis. Even bioproduct to be used in the farm should be certified or registered by the Department of Agriculture or by some certified body to be used as the agricultural input for the organic crop production. So that's why I call this is a modern organic agriculture. So many people say, I think everybody hear that, if you are do organic, the plant will respond very slow, cannot compare with the chemical. But for me, I work this one in the field in many countries. Until now, about over 20 years. I also moved to many countries like this. I never rest. I never have the holiday in my life because I really strongly hard to promote and to let the people know why we can do the organic agriculture as compared to chemical one, and so successful and responsible is very fast. So this is the people get involved with me. They understand now what I have done in scientific way. That's why I call this is the modern organic agriculture. That is, and this is guava. This guava is not grow very well. They like to do the organic guava, and also they like me to certify also this guava. And they let me come here. They said that from today they will stop on chemical, but us on chemical. And see, now I measure the soil. The soil is so hard soil, and the soil is really very acid. That's very acid also, and they have the guava and other fruit tree also. This is a bit big also. I think they have on at least 60 ไร่. This is about 10 hectares altogether. About 10 hectares. This is they like to do organic guava. So starting for today, I said if you starting to do organic, I will check soil, water, and also the fruit, guava fruit, to check the pesticide detection, pesticide resistant detection, check nitrate in soil, in water, and also heavy metal also. And by this time you see this is a bit higher heavy metal, so I will recommend you to apply the microorganism to negate heavy metal and improve the soil, not only surface of the soil. You must be improve the soil in rhizosphere soil underground. I do rhizosphere soil also by the apply the organic fertilizer and make the hole into allow the stem. And after that, I sure that all necessary nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, calcium, sulfur, magnesium, and other micronutrients will be increasing immediately. And I'm sure that you see now I can touch. I cannot touch the soil. You see, soil so hard. You see, you touch me. If you do as I recommendation, the next time I come here, my hand can take the soil immediately under canopy. The soil will become soft soil, and this one after you cut the weed, you can bring pandelbis to mulching or cover under canopy to keep the soil moisture. The soil surface will be keep moisture, and after that you will be minimize the water also. And this is what we have recommend them to do the organic guava. For the nutritional management, you try to get the new leaf first because the guava is very weak. That's why even you use the chemical, the fruit of guava is not big also, I observe. And the root also dry lot. I will take the sample to check the root disease, what happened. And then and the leaf also, I found the leaf blight and leaf spot a lot. So I have to bring the sample of the soil to check again in my laboratory at King Mongkut Institute of Technology or in the Research Institute of Modern Organic Agriculture. You can see that's why the leaf is not really healthy. Twig is not really healthy, and some I see is die back already. So please do start to do organic one. And this is the loss. This you can see this guava also. We measure they are fruiting now, and I will take the sample of soil and water, a random check, a random collection the soil and water, and also guava fruit back to my laboratory to check the pesticide residue, check nitrate again, and heavy metal also. And I checked by this time also the nutrient available is also not too high much. So this is that's I recommendation. That is if I always talk, maybe you must be remember already use biotechnique. biotechnique to improve rhizosphere soil by make the hole around here and adjust the pH of the soil to be the good soil, become organic soil and the rhizosphere soil, and then I'm sure that your the guava will be big fruit and sweet, more sweet than chemical one. Trust me. How to manage nutrient. If you like to induce flower, you can use the organic fertilizer with the high phosphorus in the flower. And if you like the guava become bigger fruit, you can apply organic fertilizer with high potassium. And after that, you can check the nutrient. We will also. I will gradually come to inspection and recommendation to do the organic guava. I hope you will be successful, and I hope to be get the output. I mean the guava fruit to check at the chemical analysis laboratory ISO standard to check the chemical resistant, pesticide resistant detection, nitrite, and also heavy metal. And after meet standard or not detected pesticide and nitrite, and after that I will certify organic by Earthsafe Hawaii SC organic certification later. I'm sure that if you follow me, you will see that now I look about the heavy metal is I talk low heavy metal is about a bit higher. So I said again, I will recommend him to apply the microorganism that can degrade heavy metal. Within 1 month, the heavy metal will be decreased until low standard. Sure, because I do a lot of many field. I go there and I do it. This one already. So I hope you will be try to understand your plant. Your plant actually they like human being. They need food. They need food also like us. So you have to learn nutritional management in each period of plant. What you like to do if they are fruiting, they need the potassium, high potassium, for example. So the turn to the organic durian farm also. This is by this farm in this farm this already applied to be the organic durian farm already, and then we come back to see to check the soil. Now the soil is getting better, pH is also proper, and now this year already they also follow on of my instruction. After they get the new leaf already, and they apply the organic fertilizer with high phosphorus, and also spray bioflower to induce flower, and flower come out a lot. And this soil is this time your nutrient in the soil is good enough already, because you follow my recommendation. And during food set up, we have to check during food development, the potassium should be higher. That means you must be apply the organic fertilizer with high potassium, and I sure that your durian will be bigger fruits. As I do the organic durian in other farm in the north of Thailand, in Tak province, that is about over 200 acres. Over 200 acres of organic durian. Then that farm, the organic durian is the age in between 7 years to 15 years. So this really it has been over 7 years already that that farm that do organic durian, and very successful. Please follow my instruction, and don't forget for the nutritional management in your durian tree. If you are going to do the organic durian production, you have to concern about nutritional management, soil management to be get a good soil, cover the soil or mulching the soil, and also the as I said, to spray the good microorganism to degrade the plant debit in the soil, After that, the nutrient will be more nutrient that this is. And it is very good that by the time I see again, I like I happy very much. And this is I have come here every month until now. You are very good already. Had to learn how to improve your soil in durian. You will be success. Sure. Please trust me. And this is the what I said. If you don't understand, you can contact me. And this is this now is flowering. You need flowering now because after they apply the organic fertilizer with high phosphorus and the spraying bioflowers 3 times. It's flower a lot by this time. You see, this time during I take the video, this flower already. This is 3 months ago. Just the last 3 weeks, last 2 weeks, I already visit him again, and now the durian is already harvesting because the durian is about 120 to 120 days or 150 days. That's harvesting. They harvesting on already, and this organic durian farm is already certified organic by SC. So you are successful already. So I very proud of you, this farmer. So this is very important that on this session I concentrate on how to manage nutritional management together with the you can manage nutrient of the plant, all necessary nutrient by yourself, as the nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, calcium, sulfur, magnesium. Magnesium is major element, and minor is the copper, boron, molybdenum, zinc, iron, manganese. This is a minor element. How to manage? That means after how you know how to manage during the growth stage of the fruit fruit tree development. Like you like to get the new leaf come out, you can make the bio compost or organic fertilizer with high nitrogen to get the new leaf. After the new leaf first come out, within 2 months, you feeling you like to get another batch of the leaf, you can apply organic fertilizer with high nitrogen again to get the new leaf come out. And after the new leaf come out, you can see the leaf is very clean and bigger and ready to be flower. And after that, you can apply the organic fertilizer with high phosphorus and induce flower anytime all the year. And in the farm of in the bigger farm for organic durian, it's about 100 acres. Also use this technique. So I like the durian, the flower lately, and they've been harvesting not in different time from the season, and we very successful. And after they are flowering, they are fruit set. After fruit set, you have to apply the organic fertilizer with high potassium, and they have magnesium also. And when we let your organic durian fruit become very bigger, even oversized, and the taste will be good also because the leaf is good. The leaf become bigger and clean. They will be the very good produce food, or we can start or photosynthesis by photosynthesis activity from the carbon dioxide in the air together with the water or H2O, and become they make in the clean leaf in chlorophyll pigment. And after that, the starch or glucose will come down, move down to the fruit, and then will be when durian is a maturity, the starch will be turned to be sugar. That means your durian will be sweet and smell very good and can be keep too long. I hope this is the how to management nutritional and soil management for organic durian production, and also for other organic food production also can use my technique. Actually, I call my technique is a biotechnique, including the abiotic factors. It is about environment, and also the biotic factor is about the living thing or microorganism that come to get involved or destroy destroy your farm. So this is what we do is and very successful. So thank you very much. So the best for the disease control and insect control, I will talk in the other session. So this session I concentrate you like you to learn about how to improve your land to be your rhizosphere soil under canopy to be organic soil and rich of nutrient, and if the plant is very healthy, rich of nutrient, they will absorb or uptake nutrient and then we grow very well. And after the plant grow very well, they will have the naturally protection, natural resistance or immunity for the disease and insect, you see, like in the tree in forestry soil as well. So thank you.